Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video, we'll continue with exercise 4a from chapter expansions. So starting with question number 15, the number x is 2 more than the number y. If the sum of the squares of x and y is 34, find the product of x and y. This is a word problem. Alright, we are not given the equation directly over here, we are not given the information directly over here. We have to extract information from the question. Now, what is the first sentence? The number x is 2 more than the number y. We have to frame this. Alright, express it in equation form. So, we'll write down the statement first. So, the number x is 2 more than the number y. Alright, so x is means put is equal to. Alright, x is equal to 2 more. 2 more. More means you're going to add. Alright, less means you're going to subtract. More means you're going to add. X is equal to 2 more than the number y. So x is equal to y plus 2. Alright. So y में 2 ऐड करके x आ जाएगा. So x is 2 more than y. Alright. We got the first thing. Now what we will do is, always the variables are on one side and number is on the other side. Alright. So what we will do, we'll shift y. So y will become minus y and 2 will remain over here only. So x minus y is equal to 2. Alright. Now if the sum of the squares of x and y is 34, please pay attention over here. This is the important part. If the sum of the squares of x and y, sum of the squares of x and y is equal to 34. Sum of squares. Alright, so individual squares. Square of sum नहीं बोला है. If it was given that the square of sum, then it would be x plus y the whole square. But we are told sum of the squares, individual squares का sum ले रहे हैं, that is equal to 34. Alright, so you just write down sum of squares of x and y is 34. So therefore, alright. So we got two things over here. One is x minus y equal to 2 and x square plus y square equal to 34. Find the product of x and y. We have to find product of x and y, that is x into y. Okay, so basically we have to find x, y. Alright. Now, over here, what we will do is same thing, identity. Okay, there is square over here. Over here we have x minus y. So what we will do? We don't have identity for x minus y. But if we square, we have identity for x minus y the whole square. Okay, so we will square on both the sides. Alright. For x square plus y square, we don't have any identity. So we can use identity only for x minus y over here. For this also, we don't have any identity. Alright. So x minus y is equal to 2. We'll square it on both the sides. X minus y is equal to 2. When we square, what we do? X minus y, put brackets, square, is equal to 2. Put brackets, square. Give reason, squaring on both the sides. Okay. This is of the form a minus b the whole square. a minus b the whole square is nothing but a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we'll expand this. So x square minus 2xy plus y square is equal to 2 square gives 4. Okay, we expanded this using the identity. Now x square plus y square का value I am given. Okay, so we'll substitute the value. Alright, so before that we'll group x square and y square and shift 2xy. Alright, keep it aside and group x square and y square. This is 34 minus 2xy is equal to 4. Okay, we'll shift 4 and we'll shift 2xy. So 34 minus 4 is equal to plus 2xy. This will become positive, this will become negative. Okay, now 30 is equal to 2xy. Alright, so 30 upon 2 is equal to xy, therefore xy is equal to 15. Okay, so xy is equal to 15. So you can write down the final statement, the product of x and y is 15. So it's very easy. Alright, you just have to use the identity, and before that you should know how to frame the equation. Alright, notice the words carefully, ध्यान से देखो and then frame the equations. Alright, proceeding to next question, question number 16. The difference between two positive numbers is 5 and the sum of their squares is 73. Find the product of these numbers. This one is also very easy. Now there are two positive numbers. We are not told the numbers over here. In previous question we were told that x and y hai. So we have to assume two alphabets over here, two variables over here. Okay, so let the two numbers be a and b. So let the two positive numbers be a and b. We are told they are positive numbers. Okay, so let the two positive numbers be a and b. Now we are told the difference between two positive numbers is 5. So the difference between the two numbers is 5. So let's say a minus b is equal to 5. Alright, difference means subtraction. So subtraction of two numbers is 5. Let's say a minus b is 5. Okay, you can also take b minus a equal to 5, but I am taking a minus b equal to 5. And the sum of their squares is 73. Sum of squares is 73. Sum, put positive sign. Sum means addition sign. Of squares, squares मतलब दो squares हैं यहाँ पे. Sum of squares, sum of squares. Alright, square of sum नहीं है. Square of sum will be this. And sum of squares is a square plus b square. Sum of a square plus b square is मतलब is equal to 73. Okay, very easy. So a square plus b square is equal to 73. Find the product of these numbers. We have to find a into b. What is the value? What we will do? We cannot use identity for ab. We don't know any identity. We don't know identity for a square plus b square, but we do know identity for a minus b the whole square. We will square this thing, and this information will be useful in that part. Alright, so let us start with the squares. A minus b is equal to 5. So a minus b, put brackets, square is equal to 5, put brackets, square. Squaring on both the sides, give reason. Okay, now a minus b The whole square का formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to 5 square will give 25. Okay. I know a square plus b square. It is 73. So we'll group a square and b square, and minus 2ab is equal to 25. This is 73. We'll shift 25 and 2ab on the other side. So 73, 25 will become negative and this negative will become positive. Okay. So 73 minus 25 will give 48 and this is equal to 2ab. So 48 upon 2 is equal to AB. So AB is equal to 24. You can write on the final statement the product of A and B, that is the two numbers, is 24.